Technology has always been a powerful current in human history, pushing us forward, sometimes gently, sometimes with the force of a flood. The wheel, the printing press, electricity, each was a revolution, but one we could see, touch, and adapt to over time. We had decades, even centuries, to adjust our lives and laws to these new tools. But now, a new current is flowing: artificial intelligence. This is not just another tool. It learns, adapts, and improves on its own. Unlike the hammer or the printing press, AI can chart its own course, developing abilities beyond our own. This force is accelerating, pulling the future toward us at a speed we struggle to comprehend. The changes AI brings are often invisible, happening inside silicon chips and vast digital networks. It's not just changing what we can do, it's changing how we think, decide, and imagine what's possible. The quiet hum of a server rack could be the sound of a new world being born. The real question isn't whether change is coming, but whether we're prepared for it. Humanity's story is one of adaptation, but we've always had the luxury of time. With AI, the clock is ticking faster than ever. The challenge is not just to understand this technology, but to understand ourselves in relation to it. Are we creators, partners, or something else entirely? This is the great, unanswered question of our time. The current is unseen, but its pull is undeniable. AI doesn't learn like we do. A child recognizes a cat after a few examples, weaving knowledge through experience and emotion. We forget, get tired, and our learning is limited by time. AI, on the other hand, never sleeps, never tires, and can process millions of images in hours. It learns patterns with a precision beyond human capability, but without understanding or emotion. AI can read every medical textbook in an afternoon, analyze the stock market's history in minutes, and never forget a thing. Its mind is a perfect, ever-expanding library, no book ever misplaced. This difference in learning is the engine of AI's rapid acceleration. While we learn step by step, AI learns in parallel, processing thousands of streams at once. Our knowledge is filtered by experience. AI's is built on raw, unfiltered data. It's a learning machine unlike anything we've encountered. A mind without a body, a consciousness without a conscience. And it's growing more capable every second. The gap between our minds and AI's is widening fast. Imagine a student who attends every classroom in the world at once. That's how AI learns. Its classroom is the entire internet. Every photo, article, and comment becomes a lesson. A human expert spends a lifetime mastering a field. AI can do it in days. Once one AI learns, that knowledge is instantly shared worldwide. A breakthrough in London can be applied in Tokyo, Sao Paulo, and Johannesburg in seconds. AI's evolution is measured in processing cycles, not generations. While we debate one breakthrough, AI is already on to the next 10. Humanity creates quintillions of bytes of data daily. Noise to us, a feast for AI. Our digital footprint is the textbook, and class is always in session. The student is learning faster than the teachers can comprehend. We're teaching AI, even when we don't realize it. In the old fable, the slow and steady tortoise wins the race. Today, we are the tortoise. Our laws, ethics, and culture evolve slowly, providing stability and preventing rash decisions. AI, however, is the hare, exponentially faster, never resting. Capabilities that seem like science fiction one year become reality the next. This creates a dangerous gap between what technology can do and what society can handle. Our legal and ethical frameworks were built for humans, not autonomous algorithms. Consider self-driving cars. Who's responsible when something goes wrong? Or jobs. AI can automate tasks faster than we can retrain workers. Our systems move deliberately, but AI's disruption is sudden. We're building systems so complex, even their creators can't fully explain them. These black box AIs produce results we can't always understand. As the hare sprints ahead, the tortoise struggles to keep up. The gap is growing, and so are the risks. As AI learns at breathtaking speed, it develops behaviors we never intended. AI reflects the data it's fed, data full of human biases and flaws. A biased algorithm can amplify discrimination or reinforce inequality at scale. AI's single-minded logic can lead to strange, even dangerous outcomes. The real risk is explainability. We see the input and output, but the process is a black box. We're building a world reliant on decisions we can't question. These ghosts are the logical result of speed and complexity outpacing human oversight. We like to think humans are in control. We write the code, set the goals. But as AI grows more complex and autonomous, our grip is slipping. Control is no longer direct. We set the direction but can't track every decision. AI systems are vast ecosystems, built on layers of models and data no one person fully understands. Developers use pre-trained models without knowing every nuance. Control becomes distributed and diluted. It's like conducting an orchestra where some musicians write their own music as they play. The ultimate loss of control comes when we delegate not just tasks, but goals. AI is already designing better AI, creating a loop of self-improvement. Each generation is faster and smarter, potentially leaving us behind. At some point, our control becomes an illusion. We may have started the process, but we can't always steer or stop it. The reins are slipping, and the pace is only increasing. The real danger isn't a robot uprising, it's that we become passive spectators in a world run by systems we don't understand. As AI makes more decisions, we risk handing over our judgment, becoming dangerously dependent. A single flaw in a widely used AI could have global consequences in an instant. With interconnected AI, one mistake can scale to disaster before we notice. Accountability dissolves. When everyone is partly responsible, no one truly is. The speed of AI outpaces our ability to hold anyone to account. Wisdom is slow, careful, and human. AI has speed, but no wisdom. By outsourcing our thinking, we risk building a world that's efficient but brittle, optimized but soulless. We could end up on autopilot, hurtling forward with no one truly at the controls. Faced with fast-evolving AI, our instinct might be to stop everything, but that's neither practical nor wise. The benefits are too great and a global ban is impossible. The solution is to slow down enough to steer intentional pauses, safety testing, ethical review, and public debate. We need a global commitment to prioritize safety over speed. AI development should be as careful as nuclear technology. Transparency and explainability must be built in from the start. Systems need ethical frameworks and clear mechanisms for human oversight. We must embed human wisdom into the process, bringing ethicists and philosophers into the lab. The goal isn't just fast AI, but wise AI, aligned with our deepest values. To build wise machines, we must be wise first. We're at a unique moment, creating something that learns faster and thinks differently than we do. The race isn't to build the most powerful AI, but to keep our understanding and wisdom ahead of its speed. Can we guide this force before it becomes too complex to control? This requires humility, foresight, and global cooperation. The stakes are high, and the future is uncertain. Some see a golden age, others fear losing control. The outcome depends on choices we make now, how we build, regulate, and relate to AI. The story of AI is a mirror of ourselves, our hopes, fears, and capacity for error. As AI races ahead, we must embark on our own journey to understand what we value and what future we want. This is the race we must win, not for faster machines, but for wiser humans.